Hey guys, sorry about the shaky handheld video. I know most of mine are handheld, but I'm a little shaky right now because I'm a little bit bothered. There's a ham on YouTube who I admire more than any other ham on YouTube. I'm not going to say his name because he broke my heart last night. And let me ask you a question. I'm going to try to get a little closer to the rig. I'd like you to look at the faceplate of my rig. What do you see? Oh, other than a fairly useless band scope, but it's old technology. What do you see? When you look at my rig, do you think you're better than me? Do you think I'm just an old man who needs to just die off and go away? This ham last night, he made one very simple offhanded comment, and he didn't mean anything by it. But you know what he said? He used the phrase, let me think, those old guys who still like to spin knobs. Really? Is that the state of ham radio now? Am I antiquated? Am I just an old man because I like to use an actual radio transceiver? I'm starting to shake because I'm starting to get kind of angry. Maybe you can hear it in my voice. I'm pissed off, man. No, that's not true. I'm not pissed off. I'm brokenhearted. And basically, I'm almost ready to give up ham radio completely. Well, not completely. I'm almost ready to give up communicating via ham radio. I'll always listen. But it's a shame, man. Hey, dude, whose name I won't say, what's your proficiency in CW? Is that a measure of my ability or my value as a ham? No, but it's an indicator of how long I've been in the hobby and how much I love CW, you know? But that's just the ramblings of an old man who loves to spin knobs, you know? Dang, man. My rig's got lots of buttons on it, right? It's got lots of buttons. But those don't count either. If I press buttons, I think I'm an old man, just hanging on, right? Are these the only buttons I'm allowed to use in the modern world of ham radio? Is this the only frequency display I'm allowed to use in the modern world of ham radio? Lastly, I've been trying to catch up on my comments, and I was accused of bashing a digital mode when all I said was that it can be annoying. That's not exactly what I said. Nothing. I just said something about loving CW, and I was accused of bashing digital modes. I have never bashed a digital mode. I have defended digital ops. I have claimed that they need more bandwidth. CW needs very little. The exploding digital movement in ham radio needs more, man. Geez, you know what I mean? I say take a bit of chunk from the sidebanders and give it to the digital ops. You guys have no idea, man. I'm your biggest supporter. Even though I'm just an old man in love with my knob. That sounds kind of wrong. Anyway, go ahead and dislike at will, man. I dislike it too. I'll lead the pack. I'll give it my own dislike. I'm bashing nobody. I just don't like to be discounted as a human being because I like to use an old-fashioned transceiver. Be well. 73, guys.